Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we give quick tips to help you with everyday life. My name's Joel, and in this video we're going to take apart this bassinet from the City Select Baby Jogger Double Stroller. And this is whenever you want to have the option of dual seats, but there is some disassembly of the bassinet, in which case you're going to assemble the new seat. So let's get started. Easy to take off. The first step I would do is take off the canopy. And there's only 2 clips and Velcro on the side. Set that aside. The bassinet is assembled with a whole lot of buttons around the frame, and you're using the framework to assemble the second seat. So we need to pop off the buttons that align the rim of this the frame. So let's pop them off. Okay, once you have all the buttons, flip it up, fold it down, and you'll notice there are support bars, and you just push those off the side, and the other 2 come right off. So now here's the frame. You have the framework set up. This base piece that's different colored is a part of the bassinet. So you want to remove it because the seat actually has its own base that it comes with. So there are buttons on the inside where you can remove that base. Push one in at a time and then pull it up together, and the base piece comes off. Now you have the framework. All right, we'll set that aside, and now we can focus on the seat to assemble it. If you'll notice a couple of things, one, here is the footrest at the bottom, and you'll notice those big buttons on the side. Those adjust the footrest bar, and so once we assemble it, you'll see how they work even better. At the top, where it's support of the head, then it actually has right next to the button the word top, and so you can see that and make sure it lines up. Now there are a couple of things to note. One, underneath the seat there is a strap, a support strap. You will actually slide the bar in between the straps on the bottom, and then the support base frame will actually hold in between the straps, and we'll show you. And that's just adds an extra layer of support. So like that. And then you can add the footstool or the foot bar. And it has a button on the side. Push the button in and then slide it down, that first hole. Same thing on the other side. Push the button in, slide it down until it clicks. There it goes. And if you also note that there is a bigger button, black button on the side that changes the bar, the footstool setting. And if you want to angle it, it might help you to assemble the rest of the seat. Now note that there are a lot of buttons left, so just start adding the buttons. And there you have it, now it's set. Now you have all the straps that are still in place for the seat. And then the bar was actually sitting flat, if you remember, with the bassinet. And these cleats actually fit into the stroller here. And they're at a straight angle, so whenever you put it in, it's going to be straight all the way down and acting like it's the bassinet. So you want to hit that button where that top piece is, and then you're able to freely move these side pieces. I know it's deceiving because you want to hit these buttons, but this is only the release from the stroller. So now that you're able to hit the button at the top, able to turn these side pieces and put them in the correct angle. And before we actually show you putting it in, I'm going to add the canopy. So that is the last step. And just to let you guys know, I do have a video separate that disassembles the seat and actually assembles the bassinet. So if you want to take a look at that, I'll have the link here. And my wife and I actually give a review on this City Select Baby Jogger Double Stroller. So I hope you take a look at that video. Now let's assemble the canopy and call it good. If you'll note, there are two markers here, or two spaces here for the clips to rest, and it just gives you a couple different options. Line up the Velcro. And the canopy is assembled. Now we can just add the seat. And there you have it. Quick and easy, disassembled this baby bassinet, assembled this seat in no time. Now you're ready to go travel with two older kiddos. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the Family of 5 quick tips, click subscribe. And remember, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the season of life you're in. Thanks guys, see you next time.